to start the application of angle sum property of triangle. Okay, so I already solved I think 4 or 5 questions of RS Agrawal exercise 40. So now today we will process next questions. Okay, means onwards 4. So first of all, please see the question number 5. That is I am solving the sum of the question from RS Agrawal exercise 40. Okay, that is the old book. So you should yeah, you can see if you use the new RS Agrawal book, then you can search whatever the exercise is that. Okay, so we are going to solve question number 4. Okay, so first of all, please see the exercise that is the 4D. Okay, exercise 4D. Okay, so question number 4. Okay, so question number 4, that is, you can see in triangle ABC, angle A plus B equals to 180 degree. Angle ABC, if angle A plus angle B equals to 108 degree, and B plus C equals to 130 degree. So find angle A, angle B and angle C. Okay, so first of all we are going to solve the questions. Okay, first of all you can see we have angle A plus B equals to 108 degree, angle B plus C equals to 130 degree. Okay, after that after add you will get here, suppose here addition, so we will get here what? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle B, okay, equals to, here is the 8 and here is the 3 and here is the 238. And we know that the sum of angle of triangle is what? You can understand that, suppose this is the triangle. Okay, so if you will add the whole angles, so you will get here A plus B plus C equals to 180, as we know that angle A plus B plus angle C equals to 180 degree due to angle sum property. Okay, so you can put here the value of A plus B plus C equals to 180. So you will get here what? Angle A to 180 degree plus angle what? Angle B equals to 238 degree. Okay, so angle B equals to what? 238 minus 108 degree. So I think we will get here 8 and here is 1385. Okay, 58 degree. Yes, 58 degree. So this is the value of angle B, and after that you can put here some value of B in the given data. So you will get here, suppose A plus B equals to what? A plus B equals to 108 degree. So you can see A equals to what? AB equals to 58. So A plus what? 58 equals to 108 degree. So angle A will be 108 degree minus 58 degree. So we can say here 8 and here 5, means 50 feet 50 degree. Okay, again you can put the value of B in the second part. So you will get here, suppose here is the second part, B plus angle C equals to what? 130 degree. So you can put here B equals to what? 58 degree. So here is the 58 degree plus angle C equals to 130 degree. So angle C equals to what? 130 degree minus 58 degree. Okay, so after that if you will subtract, then you will get here, suppose here C and here is the 2 degree. Okay, and here is the 12 minus 12 divided by 12 minus 5, that is a 72 degree. 8 to 10 7 5, yes, 72 degree. So student, you can see the value of A is what you can see here. The value of A is what? The value of A is 50 degree. Value of B is what? 58 degree, and the value of C equals to what? 72 degree. So student, this is the answer of these questions. Okay, so we will process the next questions. So you can see the next question number 5th, that is the here question number 5th, that is here. And in triangle ABC, A plus B equals to 125 degree. Here is the 125 degree, and A plus C equals to 113 degree. Okay, 100 A plus C here. A plus C is 113 degree. So student, you can solve that question like this way. Okay, so ये आपको जो है बना लेना चाहिए ऐसे ही ये क्वेश्चन ये. Okay, so because I already solve one of the question from this type, so you should try to solve these questions. Okay, and similar process you can do it. Okay, don't worry, because this is the same question of question 4 and 5 is same. That's why I already solved question number 4, so you can solve that questions. Angle B plus B, suppose here you can see angle A plus angle B. Just I want to give some hints. Plus C plus angle A equals to here what? 38. Here is the 3, here is the 238. You can put the value of A plus B plus C, that is the 180 degree. So you will get here A equals to what? 238 degree minus 238 degree, and here is the angle A equals to 238 degree minus 180 degree. So angle you will get here, suppose 8 here, and here is the 13 out of 8 equals to 5, and here is the I think 58 degree. Yes, that is the 58 degree. Okay, so this is the value of 58 degree. Angle A is 58, and you can put the value of A in here. So you will get here. Yes, question is yes. Okay, so suppose here is a question. Suppose A plus B equals to what? 125 degree. So you can put here A is a 58 degree. So plus angle B equals to what? 125 degree. So angle B equals to, you can write here 125 degree minus 58 degree. So 15 out of 8 means 7 degree, and here is the 11 minus 5, that is a 7. 8 7 15 7 5 8 sorry 8 7 15, and here is a 6. Okay, 8 7 15 and 6 5 11 and 12. 15 minus 8, that is yes. Okay, and angle C, okay, suppose that here A plus C equals to what? 113 degree. You can see the value of A, that is the 58 degree, plus angle C equals to 113 degree. So angle C equals to what? 113 minus 58. So you can see the value that is the 13 out of 8, that means 5, and 10 minus 5. So here is the 55 degree. So student, you can see the value of ABC. Here is the here is the C. You can see here is the C, and here is the also B, and here is also A. Okay, if you will add all 8 5, if you will add it, you will get 180 degree. Okay, so 7 5, yes, 5 5 10 10 6. Okay, suppose here 7 5 12 8 20, yes, 5 5 10 6 10 16 280, yes. Okay, so next we will process the next question number 6. Question number 6, that is the from R.S. Agrawal. You can see question number 6 in triangle PQR. Question number 6, that is in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, angle if P minus Q, if angle P minus Q equals to 42 degree, and Q minus R equals to 21 degree. Find angle P, angle Q and angle R. Okay, so this is the questions. Okay, you can do. I think you can take here the value of Q equals to something solution. So we can take here, let Q equals to what? X degree. Okay, so the angle Q equals to X degree. So we can write here angle P minus Q, that is the 42 degrees. So angle P minus X equals to 42 degree. So angle P equals to what? 42 degree plus what? X. Okay, and next angle Q, and next is angle Q minus R is 21 degree. Okay, 21 degree. So you can put the value of Q is here. So you will get here R equals to X minus 21 degree. Okay, so after that we can use, suppose angle P and Q and R is the angle of triangle. So we can write here sum of angle of triangle is 180 degree, and after that we can put here the value of P, that is the 42 plus X. Okay, so here is the 42 plus X, and the value of Q is what? Q is X minus 21, X minus 21, and R is what? R you can see R equals to X minus 21. Okay, and Q is X. So here is the 120 degrees. So after the adding you will get here 3x plus 21 degree equals to 180 degree. So after subtract we will get here 120 minus 21 degree. So 3x equals to, here is the 9 and 10, yes, 17 2 means 159 degrees. So x equals to that 159 by 3, that is the 3 5 is the 3, 3 3 is 9 means 53 degree. Okay, so value of Q equals to what? The value of Q is X, that is the 53 degree, and the value of P equals to what? 42 plus X, that is the 42 plus 53, that is the 35, and here is the 95. Okay, and PQ, and here is the R is what? R is X minus 21, so X minus 21. So we can put here 53 minus 21. So here is the 2, 5 with 2, that is the 3. Okay, so 3 5 7 5 3 some. Okay, 5 2 7 7 3 10 9 3 12 20. Yes. Okay, so this is the answers. So you can see Q equals to 53, P equals to 95, and R equals to 32. Okay students, so next question, that is the based on same question as that is the word following. So question, okay, so question number 7, that is question number 7. Question number 7, the sum of two angles of triangle. Okay. The sum of two angles. The sum of two angles of a triangle is what? 116 degree. Okay, 116 degree, and their difference is and their difference is 24 degree. Okay, here is the question. Find measure of an angle. Find the measures of each angle. Measures of each angle of triangle. Okay, so here we need to find here. So suppose here is the triangle. Okay, this is the triangle A here, B here, C. So you can see the difference, the sum of angles of triangle means if you will add the sum of two angles of a triangle is 160 and their difference, you can take any angle. Suppose A plus B, that is the 116 degree, and A minus B, that is the 24 degree. Okay, so this is the question given, this is data given in the question. So after the add we will get here, but suppose if we will add it, so suppose if we will add it, so we will get here, but here is B or B will be cancelled. So we can write here twice the angle A equals to what, 0, and here is the 11 to 30 and 140. So angle A equals to what, angle A equals to 70 degree. Okay, so here is the angle A equals to 70 degree, and you can put here the value of angle A in the in here. So you will get here, suppose angle A plus B is what will be the given here, 116 degree. So you can see here the value of A equals to what, 70 degree, and the value of B we need to find here. Okay, so 116, so angle B will be 116 minus 70. So you will get here, after the subtraction you will get the value. Suppose here is the 6 degree and 11 out of 7, that is the 7 4 11, yes, 46. So value of B equals to 46 is. Now students, you can apply the concept of angle sum property. Okay, so suppose angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that is the 180 degree due to angle sum property. Okay, so angle A equals to what, 70 degree, and angle B equals to what, 46 degree. So angle C equals to what, 180 degree. So after the calculation you will get here 6, here is 7 4 11, 116 here. So angle C is what, angle C is, here is the 4 and here is the 17 11 54. Okay, so angle C is 54, angle B is 46. This is the value. Okay, you can see here angle A is 70 degree and angle B is 46 degree and angle C is 54 degree. So this is the value of angle of triangle. Okay, question 7, that is the 70 46 64 64. Here is the 64 angle C, here 76 degree 46 degree 46, and here is the 64 degree. Yes, here is the some mistake here, 64, you will get here 64. Okay, so yes, 17 5 6, suppose 180, no, 180 minus 160, here is the 4 and here 7 1, here 64 degree. Okay, so here is the 64 degree. Okay, so my students, so you can solve the next question like this way. So next video I will upload after that question 7. Okay, so student, you should revise all the best. Okay, thank you.